In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on billable expenses in QuickBooks Online. Welcome everyone. If you're looking to manage your expenses more efficiently and ensure that every billable item is accounted for, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through this setup step by step, making sure you're all set to pass those expenses to your clients accurately. Let's get started by signing in to QuickBooks Online. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click. Next, among the options provided, select QuickBooks Online. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email and password. After doing so, continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you should see a small gear icon which serves as your settings menu. Click on this icon. Once the menu appears, go ahead and select Account and Settings. This will lead you to a new page featuring several tabs on the left side of your screen. You want to direct your attention to the Expenses tab. Click on that and you'll progress to the Expenses settings. With the Expenses section open, you'll see another option labeled Bills and Expenses. Click on this section to explore the specific settings related to billable expenses. Here's where the magic happens. You will see a toggle labeled Make Expenses and Items Billable. Be sure to turn this on. Turning on this feature allows you to allocate expenses directly to your clients, which can streamline your billing process significantly. Below this toggle, there's an additional checkbox option that you should check. It's labeled Track Billable Expenses and Items as Income. Checking this box enables you to track the income generated from your billable expenses. This tracking can be particularly useful when you're running reports to assess your profitability on client projects. Once you've made these adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, simply scroll down to find the Save button and click on it. This step ensures that any changes you made are implemented and retained for your future use. And there you have it, folks. You've now successfully enabled the Billable Expenses feature in QuickBooks Online. The setup ensures you're not missing out on reimbursing essential expenses and helps keep your accounting records in top shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.